Even though it looks like this outside, still getting a workout in. Still getting that cheeky optimal lift. Probably about 10 inches of snow. Never stop the grind.
Look at the situation they got me facing. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the state, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my tin in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a loped out gangster, set tripping banker, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, death ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life, do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live to see 24?
At my house, and I read those pages. Do you really love me, baby? Some things don't work, some things are bound to be. Some things they hurt, and they tear apart me. But I broke my word, and you are bound to see. And I cried at the curb where you first said, oh, not me. Hold on, wait a minute. Feel my heart's intention. Hold on, wait a minute. I left my consciousness in the sixth dimension. Left my soul in his vision. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Some people like to live. Some just trying to get by. Some people like that hurt.
When it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do it and lose itself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a
That is a 10-pound increase from morning weight. What's up, guys? Just some calisthenics, some tricep, forearm, abs, a little bit of chest, some shoulders. Went in to this blizzard not expecting too much. Got a whole lot more than I expected, but the grind don't stop. So, started off with some push-ups, then I did some crunches, then I did some scissor kicks, then I did some other crunches, then I did some a little bit of tricep chair dips, and then I did some tricep extensions, some forearm extensions, and I switched both supinations, and then I did a pose down, and that was it. Morning weight was 207, a couple weeks out. I weighed myself at night, and there was a 8-pound difference, most of which is water, which will get sweat out at night while I sleep. Just burning the calories while I sleep. That's the time you burn the most calories, believe it or not. But yeah, overall, great pump, great day, efficient workout. Now I just gotta work on maybe getting a new phone. But besides that, I'll see you guys for the next one. At the end of this video, there will be a flashback of failing PRs and also the 3 main lifts that got me in the 1,000-pound club. So it's a little blast from the past, like a little time capsule, if I say so myself.
You a waste of the space that you take up living. This time around I'm not kidding. I had an intuition about these women, and suspicion got me looking at shit different. How a man in my position can't start slipping down these slopes, cause it's all just as a kid I didn't learn that, but when you were young and you just trying to live your life and have some fun in a world where you have yet to see how evil it's become. It's hard to have a dream when you deep inside of one, and I know you hate them spirits, so I keep them in my lungs. I'm a beetle to these young kids, but sometimes I be feeling like a needle to these young kids. You had the world, you about to leave it to these young kids, and we gon' show